As we go, these equations are getting bigger and bigger. If you didn't bring your markers or your pencil or your paper, you are totally fine. Notes are done for you at the end. Just keep your eyeballs with me. Let's take this one step at a time. The first thing we're going to do here is we're going to take care of this distributing of the 5. 5 times the quantity 2x minus 1. When we distribute, we are going to multiply this 5 by everybody inside the parentheses. So those are loopy loopies. First, I'm going to do 5 times 2x, which is going to give us 10x. Next, we're going to do 5 times negative 1, which gives us a negative 5. And then this piece here is done. I don't even need to look at that anymore. If you'd like to cover it up because you're like, I don't want to be looking at too much stuff, that's fine. Don't look at it anymore. This is what we have now. Bring everybody else down. So I bring down my plus 7 equals 42. We are not ready to deal with layers yet. We have some like terms that we can combine. There's nobody else wearing X-Pan. So 10X, he just gets to hang out. Nobody can combine with him. But we have a negative 5 and a positive 7. Those we can combine. Negative 5 plus 7 is going to give us positive 2. Bring down everybody else. 10x plus 2 equals 42. This line is done. Don't even look at this, right? Ew. All of our attention and focus is here. It is now time for us to undo our layers. I'm just going to say my outer layer is this. My inner layer is the part with the variable, and I'm just using the same colors. Plus 2 is the first layer that we need to peel away or undo or remove. The opposite or inverse of adding 2 is subtract 2. Anything you do to one side of the equal sign, you do to the other. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel out. Bring down your 10x. We're getting close. Over on the other side, we have to do 42 minus 2, which gives us 4. All of our attention and focus is on this little baby part of the equation that's left. 10x equals 40. 10x is really multiplication glue. 10 times x, we are going to undo that multiplication glue by dissolving it with division. So I'm going to divide out my 10. Anything I do to one side, I do to the other. These guys cancel out. Technically, this is 1x. Big math, 40 divided by 10 is 4. The reason I tell kids to cover stuff up is because when you look at this whole thing, it can feel super overwhelming. Like, oh my goodness, this is so many steps. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start. But you do know where to start. You start with distributing. Then you combine your like terms. And every time you're just focusing on your next step. Do not be overwhelmed by the big picture. You know how to do each part.